In this tutorial, I'll show you how to attach and send a PDF file in an email. First, open your email account. For example, if you're using Gmail, log in into your Gmail account. Then click on Compose button to start a new one. Add the recipient's email address in the To field. You can also add the subject and write the content of the email. Look for the paperclip icon or the Attach Files options. Click on it to browse your computer for the PDF file you want to attach. Navigate to the location where your PDF file is stored on your computer and select the PDF file and click Open. Wait for the PDF file to upload, and once uploaded, you'll see the file name and its size listed in the Gmail composition window. Double check that the recipient's email address, subject, email content, and the attached PDF file. Once everything looks good, click on the Send button to send the email. After sending the email, you'll receive a confirmation that the email has been sent successfully. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.